All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna try this fucking YouTube uh, classes, Excel classes, I guess. So I'm pretty good at Excel. Brother thought I was pretty good at Excel. Said, "Yo, make some videos and put it on YouTube, bro, and see what happens." So yeah, I was like, what do I even show, dude? Like, what do I even start? Like, what do, you know what I mean? Like. So he's like, I don't know, just show him what a formula is. So here I am, bro. I'm gonna show you guys what a formula is. I guess that's a good start. So my name is Tony. Some people call me JP. Making sure nobody's behind me. Um, been doing bookkeeping and accounting for a long time. Started with bookkeeping, I'd say 2009 with my bro, and then 2017 I got hired at a small startup, and that's where I just took off, man. Just learned everything about accounting, accruals, cash basis, learned how to use Excel hands-on. I didn't take a class or anything like that. Um, so I'm pretty good with Excel. I'm pretty good with Google Sheets. So I'll start off with Google Sheets, and then I'll put it in there. I'll upload it, and then if you guys have any requests, anything you guys want to see, let me know. I'm a little easier to access than like these big, YouTube channels that already have like millions of subscribers. So you can reach out to me, and I'll pretty much respond, bro. I'll probably get like one message. So, all right, first things first. So this is Google Sheets. Let me explain what a formula is. So a formula is an equation, a math equation, basically, that you can enter into a cell. Um, so you can enter. So I'll give you an example. So let's say we have customers, list of customers, right? I'm just gonna show you guys like some cool little tips and tricks on Excel that I know, or on Google Sheets that I know. Um, so I'm just gonna go right off top. One client that I had, I remember she didn't trust Excel. So I would have formulas here, summing up whole columns and formulas, right? Things like things of that nature. More complex, obviously, right? Like, this equals that, and this formula plus this formula minus this formula. And I said, well, this is doing the calculation. It's all in here. The formula is in here. I put it in, and you don't have to go one by one. She was ignorant, man. She didn't believe me. She was like, no. So she went one by one, holding down the control button, selecting each one, and watching this sum. Selecting each cell that I told her I was summing up till she got to 605, which is the number I got. I'm like, you don't have to do that anymore. You do the formula, the whole shebang, the bang, the ding, and whatever. So that's one cool trick. Oh, I didn't even show you the trick. So one cool trick so you don't even have to do this. You can just select the whole row, and it'll sum them up for you. This works the same way in Excel. In Excel, I'll bring one up. If you sum up this whole column, it's gonna sum them up for you. So you don't have to, one by one, or do this equals that plus this plus. No, man. You want to know what this plus this equals? Plus this. And maybe you want to add this. Maybe you want to add this guy. You can keep going. And let's say you accidentally added one. You can just remove it by clicking it again. Click it one more time, and it removes it. Oh shit, nope, I needed to take this one out. Let me remove it. So pretty cool, pretty useful. I thought this was like a basic thing, but yeah, apparently not a lot of people know this trick. So that's pretty cool. Um, Another cool formula trick here I'm gonna show you guys. This one's really cool. I really like it. I'm just throwing a bunch of different formulas on here so you guys can see. So here I'm gonna do a drop down based on the customer that I select. So this is more like a dynamic. Um, they call it dynamic because it you can select something and then it changes the data. I think that's the idea of it. So I'll show you. So here I want to make a drop down that whatever you select here tells me how many they sold. Shoes sold. So that's how many shoes bought by all these customers here, right? Cool. Got it. Okay, shoes bought. So I'm going to do a drop down and I'm gonna do data validation. All this you can do in Excel. Data validation, add rule, drop down. First one's going to be John. Next one's gonna be Betty. Okay, you can actually select. Okay, cool. So we got that done. John and Betty. So now I want to do shoe name. So this is the name shoes bot here. So now I want to do equal sum if this, so the range, so I basically want to say if this, if whatever's in here is in here, then pull this, right? I want to be able to drop down here and give me the shoes bot, so I don't have to look at it here. Maybe it's a big ass list, right? And you just want to look for one specific person, right? You know the specific person's name. Let's say it's Mike, and we have like a million Mikes in here. You'd be looking for Mike Wallace. How much shoes did they buy? Did they order? This is where this will kind of come into play. Okay. So here the range. The range where we want to look is here. Now the criteria is here. And the range that we want to sum, what we want to bring back, is here. Done. So right now it's nothing. So now let's try it. So if I select Betty, 43 should come out. If I select John, 4 should be it. Pretty simple, cool stuff, right? There's a lot of other cool shit that we can do. I'm gonna give you like a brief little glimpse of stuff that I'm doing. So this is quick little snapshot. This is the financial package actually. This is a snapshot of a company. This is 24 financials, 23. I actually added scenarios here where you could include or exclude. This is all, it's pretty cool. Excluded, included. So you can include personal expenses, exclude personal expenses, 2023. Balance sheets, rolling forecasts, income statement detail, comparisons. We got gross margin analysis, sales comparisons, vendor COGS comparisons. Cool little top 10 uh, tab here. Shows you top 10 clients. Little graphs, quarters, customer top 10 customer profits, quarter one, quarter two, 2023 comparison. So just a little glimpse, some of the things that we can put together. Send some ideas, man. Send some ideas what you guys want to see. I'll put some videos together and whatnot. shall wrap it up.